Hello, a Acharjan. Is mentioned Ghaillinn bio id Twitch. Video minutes he mi vil. Call us Ghail. Aye, scanio. Kim in a hashu. Shindolach like a beacon of Arach. Life is strange.
Steph and Mikey normally post up somewhere quiet in the courtyard.
Tapalat Chloe. Life is strange before the storm. So go to Gafashin, Gujedi episode of Hen, and noch stuff nach fai. I mean, dal Janu bekan skurlig leine, Gafashin is de Riemekuch. Agus an Urshan Clichishin. So, copy. Give it a hash, and we talk as Gaveshavana soon.
I bet Steph and Mikey are playing games on one of the tables.
Ha is, Chloe, ha is. Camera Nimisha. Link twitch.tv /Gleichowicz. Empty your story. Avis and listen.
Need my DVD from Steph. I bet she's nerding it up with Mikey somewhere.
Okay, Chloe. Heb ik het kleintje? Ga wie me echt minutes, Chloe? Kerst. Okay. Well, foutje is this. She dolchlich a pick of Arach. Life is Strange Before the Storm Remastered Episode 1 Awake. Awaken? Kind of.
Steph and Mikey normally post up somewhere quiet in the courtyard.
Is Chloe. Jay Hachert and Jay Nidachlishin, well, Chanishin Risha Che Shaw, Chloe Price, Chai Gugig, Chanichiri Rachel Amber, the popular girl at school, is Joe Eiche Achke, agus an nuair sin sa bheithing rin sin rí ar maithid Joyce, agus chaní sin rí David ar baramer ag ar maithid.
I bet Steph and Mikey are playing games on one of the tables.
Ag an scoil, agus suirin Ghaillinn current objective acin chaiad le L2 agus ha iad ysgriach iad y lava. Textures carnianoch sa gamma shop, mad a hwrs me. Right, shall learn to post that in.
Nathan in tights. Can't unsee.
The Tempest, hashin id a jerry achking, I guess shy before the storm, anima gamma.
How could I possibly make it through a day in this place without a little chemical assistance? Well, at least not for now.
Sci-Fi Movie Club. Well, leis na rá, Chloe, chuir sin amach tuadas mi eric how go má jail le Blade Runner. Every DVD. Hey, I'm at the picnic tables with Mikey. Thanks. On my way. Elliot. Mikey. Steph. I can never decide if Steph is the coolest or nerdiest person in all of Blackwell. Maybe both. She's definitely queen of the indoor kids, with all their weird role-playing games and sci-fi shit. Has kissed girls. Okay, I guess in description. Tulig. Yeah, Shaw, and Jay. Max, you know how things with Mum seemed like they couldn't get any worse? Ha, the sad truth is I suddenly have to choose between being nice or being honest with her because I can't be both. But how can I keep being nice and pretending she didn't make a horrible choice with a mustache? And why am I the only one concerned about this hostile takeover of our house? Today it's a toolbox and a pot roast, tomorrow it's... I should stop there for sanity's sake. Honestyville or Niceberg? And yeah, I know my mum is stressed about money issues, but that still doesn't justify her horrible taste in men. Also, Mum knows I've been skipping, which sucks, but in a way makes me feel better about it. Does that make me a bad person? But I don't feel bad about fucking off, just relieved that I don't have to waste the energy to lie about it anymore. On second thought, don't answer that. Chloe, the no good, very bad person. Oh, Chloe. Love. Max. So the mustache drove me to school today, yep. That's what my life's become. Even worse, he thought the ride was like a tell me how things are going to be from now on opportunity. I shut that shit down real quick, but I have a feeling he's going to run crying to Mum about it because that's the kind of little man baby he is. I had a dream about Dad again, the one where I was there when it happened. It seems to get harder and harder after each of these to remember what's real and what's not. All I can remember after I wake up is how much I miss him. I hope that never goes away. The Chloe who wasn't there, or was I? Okay. Alright, Skip.
Skip
Okay.
Matthews, Blackwell's finest. He's not so bad for a mall cop. Hey, Skip. Stopped any gang wars lately?
Not today. I did ask Justin Williams' mom to move her Mercedes out of handicap parking.
Badass.
Yeah, you know how I roll.
So, I went to the mill last night. Cut Firewalk live.
You went to the mill? Wait, you saw Firewalk?
It was cool.
Whoa, pretty wicked. I didn't know you were into music like that.
What? Like good music?
Preach it, sister. I'm in a band, actually.
No shit. Really?
We're called Pisshead. It's not a big deal or anything.
I put Enum or something.
I'm trying to get our demo out there, but it's hard.
Pisshead, huh?
Would you maybe want to hear it? Our demo, I mean.
Yeah, okay.
Great.
Tell him to pisshead.
Chemical problem gone wrong. Electrical deep fried storm. Say we got nothing.
So, what did you think?
That was really good, man. If Pisshead came on the radio, I'd turn that shit up.
Oh, right on. Awesome, Chloe, thanks.
Skaniel. Suringain vi snack.
Miss Grant, the least lame teacher at Blackwell. Wish she could get over the whole push me to succeed thing, though. Morning, Miss Grant.
What do you think of this hypothesis? That you'll be in your seat by the time chemistry class begins today.
Science is all about discovery, Miss Grant. Guess you'll have to wait and see.
With all the change that's happening at Blackwell of late, I suppose I can appreciate your consistent wit, Chloe.
What kind of change do you mean?
Well, the Prescotts have made an extremely generous donation to the school,
Talijn
which is
Prescotts.
good. But instead of going to support more science and mathematics, It's all being dedicated to the arts.
Oh,
You
actually, let's tell
don't
him it's a
think more
shame.
money should be spent in the arts?
It's not that exactly. I recently made the case that STEM programs should receive more support, but apparently our new donors disagree with me. Such is life, I suppose.
Miss Grant actually seems sad. Look at it this way, Miss Grant. More art classes will keep all the smug, self-absorbed types out of your science classroom.
Articulate, as always.
Shouldn't Chloe? Do not walk on the stage.
I should probably be getting to class, but I just don't care.
Hamadkvel Dufron hit
Last night
Chloe.
really happened? The internet says it did, but I still can't believe it. Rachel Amber. The drama star, honor student, popular princess of Blackwell swoops in like Batman to save my ass and thrash to Firewalk? Either that was a dream or real life just got a shit ton crazier.
Shall Cohound.
Principal Wells. Hey.
Miss Price, the sign clearly says do not walk on the stage. Such disregard for your fellow students' efforts won't alleviate your record of major infractions.
How many minor infractions and a major one?
This is no joke, Miss Price.
Who's joking? You've seen my math grades.
Perhaps you will find me less amusing if I mention the various allegations I've been hearing about your drug use. You know Blackwell has a zero-tolerance policy. Do I have to initiate a search of your person in order to establish the veracity of these allegations, Miss Price? That's what I thought. I'll look forward to seeing you in my office after school today. How does that sound?
Oh, and time on or some back talk.
Wells really has it out for me. I have to convince him it's in his best interest to back off. Actually, sir, I'm gonna go with no.
Ah, so you're going to mouth off to me now, yes? And here I thought your well of witticisms had finally run dry.
Sir, my well of witticisms runs so deep that you would get trapped at the bottom and never make it out alive.
Heiko
Jokes,
extra.
in my experience, that's how the guilty cover up their infractions.
How did you become principal without learning the Constitution? The Fourth Amendment, illegal search and seizure?
We are a private institution, and policy allows me to search all students on the premises.
I wonder if the Prescotts might reconsider their donation if Blackwell's principal is being sued for harassment.
How do you know about the Prescott donation?
Perhaps the better question you should be asking yourself is, what else do I know?
I'm sure we do not need to make so public an issue of
Oh,
your
Chloe.
behavior today.
Look at Leather.
But make no mistake, Miss Price, this is not over.
Ooh, goody. I love cliffhangers. Funny, just a couple years ago, something like that would have scared the crap out of me. These days, I'm at, like, the collegiate level of not giving any fucks.
Oh, Chloe.
Huh. Weirdly, that makes me interested in walking on the stage.
Mi farach cyn mark fel rydych
Need my DVD from Steph. I bet she's... I prefer to wake and bake. But hey, to each their own. But fire's so pretty. No, Chloe. Class is back the other way.
Okay, Gemma. Ach, mi farach cyn mark rydych
What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Winning while doping isn't winning at all. It's a quick trip to the deep end of failure. Well, should I get that? Ah, shushing. Firewalk rocks, Principal Wells rocks. A firewalk rocks, a calch rollachard. Gasa awn. Could you Principal Wells rocks? Send them for a loop.
Ladies and gentlemen, Principal Wells.
Shit, look at that. Smoke. It's larach na scola.
Students at Blackwell have this herd instinct to glom up into little groups, like sheep. And if you just want to be alone, you get labeled like some dangerous outsider. Just like any other prison. Except now the prison follows you wherever you go, thanks to social media. I can't believe Rachel posted a photo of the two of us together last night. Am I still an outsider if I'm hanging out with Rachel Amber now? And what does it mean that hanging out was so awesome? Does that make me just the same as every other student here? Nah, fuck that.
Tar biachken nat chlacken je Chloe. Right. Come in yarn.
The future needs excellence. The future's an asshole.
Yeah, it has ton of textures cat added, don't you, Emma?
Victoria Chase. I'd rather vomit razor blades than talk to her.
Oh, Carrie Price!
It's Chloe.
Oh, right. I'm just teasing. People have been taking me so seriously since I won the Beacon's Young Artist Award for my photography.
You don't say.
Between that and the Vortex Club, it's hard to keep people from putting me up on a pedestal or whatever. But you know all about that. What, with Rachel Amber? Am I right?
Wait. What about Rachel Amber?
Rachel posted a slamming selfie of you two having the time of your lives. Do tell.
It was a pretty normal night for us. A little music, a little dancing. We murdered a guy.
You are so funny.
Oh, gosh.
Seriously, though. I didn't realize
Tell
you
him
and
Victoria.
Rachel were such BFFs.
We're really not.
So, what's she into? You know, what's her thing? Is it drugs? I'm not judging or anything. I figure if she's hanging out with you, she must be into some effed up shit. You know?
Wow.
Seriously, I don't know why you're talking to me about Rachel.
Oh, everybody loves her. Little Miss Perfect.
So you're jealous of Rachel Amber. That's what's happening right now. Gotcha.
Oh, God, I don't have time for this. I didn't even finish the chemistry assignment, and you're... being you. Oh.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Victoria. I didn't mean to be rude. You know, I finished the assignment. Want some help?
You? Help me?
Of course. That last problem was hard, right? If I'm remembering correctly, the answer was fluorine, uranium, carbon, potassium, and, uranium again. Does that sound right?
Perfect. Hey, thanks, Carrie.
No problem.
Fashion petty. Ach, was Borsal. Right, Catchville, Steph, agus Mikey.
Need my DVD from Steph. I bet she's nerding it up with Mikey somewhere. Steph Gingrich and Mikey North, Blackwell's premier indoor kids. Steph has created something of a business selling pirated DVDs to other students.
If I had known the Celestial Avenger was bloodied, I would have totally given him my potion.
It was a skill challenge. Potion wouldn't have worked.
Skill challenge?
It's part of the tabletop game we play.
You wouldn't understand.
I used to play with my friend Max. It's been a long time, though.
Cool.
Got my DVD?
One Blade Runner, director's cut coming right up.
Well, that's a King Ghaillinn.
$5, right?
Jail or Blade Runner?
Keep it. I'm just glad someone here appreciates the classics. You even asked for the director's cut, which took out the shitty voiceover and replaced it with a sweet dream sequence.
Dream life over real life. That's my motto.
Right on.
Hey, do you know if Rachel's a gamer?
Rachel Amber? You're asking me?
Didn't you two go out last night, or was it just like a friend thing?
Ooh.
Why do you want to know?
Steph has a crush.
Chloe, you should join our game.
Yeah, I don't have 50 hours right now. Thanks, though.
We're at the end of the campaign, so it'll only take, like, 20 minutes. What else have you got to do before class?
What the hell?
TNT.
Game on, nerds.
TNT. TNT.
Here's a character sheet. You are an elf barbarian.
Nice. I could totally see myself as an elf barbarian.
I know, I'm good. Alright, let's get started. You are both famous heroes in the Kingdom of Avernon, a once peaceful land, now laid to waste by the bloodthirsty raiders of the Black Well. Alone, you have fought your way through the raider camps, seeking their warlord leader, Durgaron, the Unscarred. As you enter the final camp, bloodied and weary, you see your fellow hero approaching from the opposite direction.
I raise my staff to you in greeting. I am Elamon, Wizard of the Third Circle, foremost advisor to King Tiberius, and sworn defender of Avernon.
Introduce your character.
Yeah, okay. I'm an elf barbarian named, Calamastia.
Super into it.
Not bad.
The two heroes.
Hold on. Elamon narrows his eyes at the elf in front of him and says, I am here to defeat Durgaron, the Unscarred. In the name of King Tiberius, what makes you think you are worthy to fight alongside me?
Huh.
I once stabbed a guy in the chest with a sword, and it went all the way through and killed the guy behind him, too. True story.
You stand at a three-way crossing. To your left, the raiders' training ground. To your right, their prison camp. Straight ahead, an enormous, ostentatious tent that could only belong to Durgaron, the Unscarred. Which way do you go?
Straight ahead, right? We're supposed to kill the dude.
Elamon frowns. The raiders could have some good loot at the training ground, and surely it is our duty to free all those prisoners.
Your choice, newbie. Where do you wish to go?
Guess
Prison
it's time to free some peeps. Let's go to the prison camp.
You behold a field of standing iron cages, each imprisoning a human villager, calling out for you to free them. Only a small, elderly dragonkin is keeping watch. He notices you, and in terror, runs into one of the few empty cages and locks himself in.
Ah, poor little guy. What's a dragonkin?
Dragonkin are like little dragon people. They're assholes. I bet he has all the keys.
Oh, okay. Hey, shitface! Get out of there!
The dragonkin hops up and down, shaking his ring of keys at you. He shouts in a strange language. Whatever he's saying probably isn't flattering.
Got any useful spells in that robe of yours?
Nothing that wouldn't blow up the cage and everything in it.
Intimidate. That's a skill I have. Can I do that? I want the little bastard to shit his pants.
You can try. What do you say?
Listen up, you little lizard.
Unfortunately, he doesn't speak common, which means he
I
can't—
cast communication on the dragonkin.
Shit. Really?
Now he can
Hamish
understand
it'd
every
be
word
in
you say.
DM-shin. Can't
Time to
do
work
shit,
some
really?
real magic.
So this is called a skill challenge, where you try to use—
Oh, I know what this is. I grab the bars of the cage and lean in, nice and close.
He steps back, his scaly skin quivering in fear. What do you say?
Everybody knows that dragons are pussies. That's why they hide in caves and only come out to
Oh,
breathe
Jack,
fire
come
on
on.
sheep and eat cows and shit.
That was a mistake. The dragonkin growls, snapping at you and showing his teeth and claws. Tall one is a fool. Dragons are gods, he says.
Damn.
You're short, I say. But you can always get shorter. Give me the key, or I'll chop off your legs and beat you to death with them.
No, no, please don't do that. Still I cannot give key. Durgaron will eat me.
I think he's close to breaking.
I twirl my axe around, badass style. Eat this, lizard.
Vision Fashk.
How bad?
Gewoon nach
Really
de
badass.
17.
That's pretty badass. The dragonkin
Gewoon
cowers
nach de
before
gael,
you,
Shin
looking
Shin.
left
Ach, mi
and
tally
right.
chicken the
He
bunny.
opens his jaws and you think he's about to yell for help.
I interrupt his yell by shoving my axe into the cage, pinning his head to the bars without hurting him. Then I say the following.
This is going to be good.
Here's what's up. I'm going to carve the skin from your bones. Then I'm going to turn your skin into a little leather handbag that I'll shove your skinless body into so I can carry it around with me wherever I go. That way, the next time some asshat refuses to give me a key I want, I can pull your body out and show them what happens. How does that sound?
Wow.
That was nuts.
I'm going to give you a +10 bonus to charisma. Go ahead and roll. A small pool of urine collects under the elderly dragonkin as
And
hands
dragonkin
trembling,
bach.
hands you the keys. Then it dies of fear.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Go team. Why don't you start unlocking the prisoners?
I'm on it.
As you free them, the prisoners run away from you in fear. What's next?
Loot sounds good. Let's go to the training ground.
Sweet.
Upon arriving at the training ground, you are spotted by a heavy-set orc who immediately shouts and points. There are a dozen raiders on the training field, all of whom raise their weapons and charge.
Okay. So what do we do?
I cast Urgel's Acid Blast.
Overkill?
Bam!
You conjure up a wave of acid that washes over the charging orcs. Every raider suddenly
zo'n
starts
D&D
screaming
gelijkenis.
and writhing in pain. There's a sweet and sour kind of smell as the flesh melts off their bones like warm candle wax.
Holy shit.
You see why I haven't really needed a partner?
The heavy-set orc sergeant still remains. He runs at you, swinging a
Heavy-set.
massive warhammer.
All yours.
Okay. Let's end this. Fatal cleave.
You swing your great axe downward with both hands. The orc blinks, then splits open like a hot dog bun.
Fuck yeah! I'm awesome at this game.
It's going well.
What about the loot?
Well, as the training ground is now a roiling pit of acid, it's unlikely any loot survived.
Dang.
Don't worry, Alamon guy. We all make mistakes.
Elamon nods. Calamastia, the elf barbarian, is most wise and forgiving.
What's next?
And Talmown.
It's tent time.
You enter the tent to find Durgaron, warlord of the Raiders of the Black Well, sitting comfortably at his throne. He's a huge red-eyed minotaur, swathed in a fine black cloak, gripping a two-handed sword that's easily 6 feet long. His laughter bellows, "Wah ha 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 ha. Your lands and people are already mine. Your deeds here mean nothing. Your kingdom was weak. You are weak."
What an asshole.
I got this. I cast Zael's cataclysmic cone of fire.
The fire fizzles out on contact. Durgaron laughs again, holding up his right arm to show off his bracer of fire immunity.
Shit! All of my battle spells are fire-based.
Except
Well,
for,
meta
you know,
division.
Acid Blast, which someone used unnecessarily to show off for Chloe. Calamastia? What'll it be?
Is talum Gvoshin initiative Kursana ha staff a fiach in ribadoch etiquette the anu. Famous Gvelli Kosk it the miniatures Asian.
What's Wrathful Rush?
It's like a shoulder slam, an angry shoulder slam.
Okay, I do that.
You scream with wrathful rage, then charge. Durgaron is caught off guard, and he fails to dodge. You slam your shoulder into him, knocking him back and doing some damage.
Hell yeah.
Next.
Holy shit! Annihilation Strike. That sounds boss as fuck.
One?
Oh,
That's bad, right?
Not for me. As you take your first step, you trip on a rock, collapsing onto the ground in a clangy jumble of metal. Your axe swings wildly to the side. Mikey, roll a reflex save.
Oh no. 3.
Your axe strikes Elamon's leg. Legs. Plural. Severing both feet at the ankles.
Oh man. DM harsh Hannah staff.
I am so sorry.
Durgaron moves toward the crippled Elmon.
Oh, shit!
I told you this was my best boss.
You didn't tell me my character might die.
Durgaron approaches, stomping his bloody hooves. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
This is all my fault. Sort of. What should I do? I jump in front of Elamon.
Wow. Thanks, Chloe. I mean, thanks, Calamastia.
Okay. Durgaron has now turned his attention toward you.
Bring it.
He charges, thrusting madly with his great sword.
Shit!
Oh no.
Your attempt to dodge his thrust fails. Durgaron laughs as he impales you on his blade, lifting you high into the air.
Seriously?
I can't do anything with that stupid bracer. I'm sorry, Chloe.
Hey, I chopped your feet off. We're even.
You feel your strength draining away as Durgaron lifts you higher into the air. It hurts like hell. What do?
I bring my axe down onto his arm. The one with the fire bracer thingy.
Oh, brilliant.
You'll have to roll high to hit. You're almost dead.
20!
Fuck
Not
yes!
20. Should I
You bring your axe
compare?
down in a wicked chop, severing his
Yep,
arm
perfect.
completely. His bracer of fire immunity clings to the ground.
I cast Gignomi's Fire Strike of Flame!
Ooh, snap!
Lying on the ground, you conjure a flaming spear, which flies from your hands to spear Durgaron in the chest, incinerating him completely. from the inside out.
Damn, Elamon.
Durgaron is defeated, but your wounds were too great. I'm afraid Calamastia is dead.
I actually feel sad right now.
Better to have died a hero than live as a coward.
That was fun.
Check out what I drew.
Mikey's got serious drawing skills.
I should look.
Glad you enjoyed it, Chloe.
Yeah, I'll adventure with you anytime.
We'll see. Thanks for the game, nerds.
I guess skill luck.
Check. Next stop, chemistry class.
Skill luck gilab mi ein Chenya. A Ritikin Sanad.
Ah, Evan. Amazing photographer, but such a bleeding heart. What soapbox is he on today?
Chloe, I'd like to talk to you about wildfire awareness and
Chenya.
prevention.
Good morning to you too, Evan.
According to the Department of Forestry, over 90% of this season's fires were caused by humans. That's a record high and completely preventable.
Wildfires are awesome.
This is for college, right? I don't believe you actually care about this.
My interest in fire prevention is completely sincere. Besides, I intend to get into college on the strength of my photography alone.
Well,
Do you
Leakfest
think
man
Rachel
ook
Amber
because
would be
cinema
willing to
fit.
pose for my portfolio? She's so artistic. I bet she would be a dream model. What do you think?
I guess.
Hoe het in je fijnig me een runach.
I gotta run.
Ga nu
one
go.
last thing. Will you sign my petition to have a fire safety assembly at school?
Sure. I love assemblies. Some of the best naps of my life.
Wow, thanks. I did not see that coming. You being, you know, interested in complicated issues, helping out with the public.
Do you want me to change my mind?
No.
How seriously am I taking this right now? There you go. Just don't expect this to become a habit. Blackwell Academy, home of tomorrow's leaders.
What? Caring about important issues?
Caring in general.
Hi.
Blackwell Academy, home of tomorrow's leaders.
I can't even go near the highest on the campaign. I didn't expect this. Chloe Price caring about complicated issues. And you mean Farake Markaville wildfires bulach a taintje Samantha.
Samantha Myers, school wallflower. She could give you a run for your money, Max.
Hey, Chloe.
Hey, Samantha. What are you reading?
Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf?
I read that last year in Mrs. Hoyta's English class.
I didn't think you did homework.
Normally I don't, but the play was actually good.
What did you like about it?
The story is about how relationships only work if people are willing to lie to each other.
I'm not sure if you're joking. Sorry, I'm a little slow sometimes.
I'm a little bitchy sometimes, so it's cool.
People always say that. But I think you're actually... Sorry, Chloe. No one says anything like that. I don't know what I'm actually talking about.
I bet.
Oh, right.
This makes being high sound like a bad thing.
Fire rating high.
Evan's work is actually pretty good. I'd never tell him that, of course.
Blackwell Academy.
What the hell?
What have you got here? Twitch? Don't call me that!
True North. A jock so dumb he makes jocks look bad. Guess Nathan Prescott made the shit list.
Oh, wow. This is some really weird crap, Prescott.
It's not yours. Give it back. I hate that you're on the team now. You're such a loser.
Guys, no need to fight. You can both be losers.
The mute speaks? Whoa, whoa! You earn a spot on the squad, Twitch. You don't have your dad try to buy off the coach.
At least my family pays tuition. How much financial aid does your deadbeat dad need again?
Oh, whoa.
Wow. Dick move, Nathan.
My dad lost his job at the shipyard when your dad closed it down. And you want to talk shit to me?
Leave Nathan alone!
You know something, Prescott? I'm gonna do you a favor. You can't be a part of the team and be into this stupid crap at the same time.
You're a piece of shit. I am going
Stop
to
it!
kill you.
You guys, stop! Chloe, do something! Don't just stand there watching!
See, Hashaw did it, right? Or am your son a hula backtalk a Yanu? Chatalam Nathan Prescott each it. So, can you dolly anything?
Hey, if you don't take the time to stand back and watch, you miss some of life's finer moments. Like...
Booyah!
that.
That took me months to put together.
Quit the team, Twitch. Or next time it'll be worse.
Go to hell.
You should be ashamed.
Vau sa an cuideach Samantha. Budding good sa ruta giri anu. Glad we talked. Me too. I know you're doing your best. Love you. Oh. Chinla. True. Mikey's older brother. Let me mention. Shin. It's Nathan Prescott. Boo. Got the line, Nathan.
That pic would actually make a sweet tattoo. Maybe if I delay going inside long enough, Blackwell will be overrun by future excellence. And by future excellence, I mean mole people.
Jack line. Shoko Hound.
Oh, good. You're here.
Holding hands. Edveran.
I do beseech you, chiefly that I might set it in my prayers. What is your name?
Miranda. Oh, my father, I have broke your hest to say
Good.
so.
Admired Miranda. Indeed worth what's dearest in the world. Many a lady I have eyed with best regard, and many a time had listened to... Many a time the harmony of their tongues hath I listened to.
You're killing me. We've had weeks to be off book.
Sorry, Mr. Keaton.
No, don't apologize to me. Apologize to your scene partner who's been very accommodating, and to your other fellow actors, and most of all, to yourself.
Mr. Keaton, sorry to interrupt, but does this look better? I had my mom take it in a bit.
Rachel looks awesome. This is getting as surreal as last night.
Looking good, Rach.
Very cool.
Exquisite Rachel, as always.
Mr. Keaton, I'm still having trouble with... My affections are then most humble. I have no ambition to see a goodlier man. I mean, does she really mean that?
Especially because I just straight out told her I've been banging all the ladies.
Yeah, that is hard. We've talked about that line forever. We need a fresh perspective. The question is, are Miranda's feelings of instant passion for Ferdinand just inexperience in dramatic circumstances, or has she actually just met the love of her life? What do you think?
Joe Hecht. Bhfuil sin díreach caneach die graag ar críonne.
Sometimes, when you meet someone who's going to change your life, you just know it, I guess. Also, you've got parents coming to see the show, right? At $20 a ticket, it's gotta be true love.
Wow. A romantic and a cynic. That actually kind of helps me. Thanks. Thanks, Mr. Keaton.
Later.
See you later, guys.
Oh, no. I have first period improv with a class full of freshmen now.
I'll just be a minute.
Okay, so why am I here again?
Oh, could you grab my belt for me? I think it's in my bag over there.
Yeah, sure.
Chloe agus Rachel.
Okay, get the belt. Don't say any stupid shit and don't, like, fall down. Should be doable, right? I have feelings about this. Most of them are not good feelings. Why do theater kids take themselves so seriously?
A newcomer to Blackwell Academy, Rachel Amber blew the doors off her audition. The heartbreaking reading of Blanche from Tennessee Williams' A Streetcar Named Desire. Other interests include athletics, debate team, boosters funding, local history, and nature. Rachel hopes to one day grace the stages of Broadway and the silver screen of Hollywood. Agus nuair sin becanna fistrach I mé Nathan. Agus ha Rachel cluiche Prospera. Dana mar Miranda. Agus Hayden mar Ferdinand. His other interests include herbals. Juliet mar Ariel. Travis Keating directing. There's Gratia Artis. Stage manager Steph. Poster Evan. Special thanks to Principal Wells, Rose Amber, Caroline Prescott, and especially the Prescott Foundation. Inch
Hey now. Sharing is caring.
Steph. Our girl are in the stage managers.
This poster definitely says something.
Rachel Amber will suck as Prospera.
RA will suck as Prospera. If VC had any talent, maybe she would have gotten the part.
Talent? Is that what got Mr. K to cast you, slut?
Guess they don't call it Drama Lab for nothing. What to say, what to say. Playing the part of the bitter, passed-over, talentless hack, VC.
Okay, has she na cliche Maskervel vier graan jakinje Victoria, I guess. Gaan jou misje meetalig Jermaine.
Rachel looks so happy here. There's Rachel's belt. Guess I'll go give this to Rachel now.
Rachel's belt. Copes, a film. Listen.
I guess the Prescott donation doesn't cover this.
Pencil fund.
If I'd known acting meant getting to play with weapons, I totally would have auditioned for the Tempest. Should be life is drama. Sweet caller, Pepe. Rachel Amber, drama star and guardian angel. I still can't believe that was her last night. Oh, sometimes you just gotta turn up the heat.
Catch a feel the pencil and not the other.
I'm gonna guess it's from Logan.
Oh, Hashin go cute ach kuja go cringe. Oh.
Must be 100 costumes in here. Am I the only student who's not in this show? Rachel? Is this your belt?
Yes! Thank you.
Mochrach.
I really liked your costume.
Thanks. So, did you bring flowers for my dressing room?
How about a belt instead?
Perfect.
I'll let you finish changing now.
Oh, Chloe.
Chloe Price.
Rachel Amber.
Last night was amazing.
I'd never seen Firewalk live. Pretty fierce show.
We'll have to do it again. To tell the truth, I went to bed last night wishing it never had to end. But then I thought, why? Why does it have to end?
Maybe it doesn't have to end.
Exactly. How would you like to join me on a little field trip?
Good geography.
Fuck yes. I was born to ditch.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Scanial.
You sure you don't want to just grab the bus, or...?
Nope. If we're gonna go rogue, we're doing it right. Well?
What the hell am I getting into here? Where does this thing go?
North? Maybe we'll end up in Seattle. Pull up a chair, Price. The view's amazing.
Hey, why weren't you in cam? Everything okay? Yep. Heard shit went down with Drew and Nathan. Did you see? Yo, let's talk later. We're not interested, Elliot. Rachel. How do you describe Rachel Amber? I've been trying to find the right words ever since we met. The crazy thing about Rachel is that I really should hate her guts. I mean, she's a straight A student, beloved by everyone at school, including students and teachers. She's super into acting, and I hear she even does modelling on the side, which I imagine her district attorney dad and Stepford housewife mum support her in. It all sounds like a recipe for awfulness. And yet, Rachel somehow is nothing like the privileged golden child type you'd expect. She's not like any type, actually. She's probably the most surprising person I've ever met. And that's not just because when we met she was having me take down some skeevy assholes at a rock show. But it's just this feeling she gives off. Like when you're with her, anything is possible. Fuck, it really sounds like I have a crush on her, doesn't it? Here's hoping she reveals something really horrible about herself soon, like a stamp collection, or a love for cat memes. Something to make her a little less indescribably awesome. Oh, she's cute. Max, have I ever told you about Nathan Prescott, aka Spoiled Dick Baby? Anyway, I saw him get bullied by Drew, football jock and all-around sporty douchebag. It was nice to see Nathan get knocked down a peg, though the side effect is that I actually started feeling bad for the little shit. Maybe I'm getting soft in my old age. Spoke to Elliot too, he was super nice as always. He wanted to hang out, as always. And I blew him off, as always. Poor guy, he's super persistent. It must be hard trying to give a shit about me. Speaking of giving a shit, I actually played a game with Steph and Mikey this morning. It wasn't terrible, but I'm not sure I have the energy to consistently care that much about anything. I probably should be concerned about how little shit I give these days, but that would been giving a shit, wouldn't it? Chloe, the Catch-22. Max, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, when is she finally going to talk about Rachel Amber? Fine, you nosy bitch, here it is. Rachel Amber is the most popular girl at school, and she's super into hanging out with me all of a sudden. Like this morning when she pulled me into the drama lab and asked for my expert opinion about true love in front of the whole class. I told her true love is the best way to get parents to buy tickets. Mr. Keaton, the drama teacher, seemed to agree. Then Rachel brought me into her dressing room. Gotta say, that was the quickest I've got from meeting someone to helping them get dressed, but that's Rachel. She doesn't give a fuck, she just lets it all hang out. And then Rachel hatched this crazy plan for us to skip school together that involves jumping onto a train. You know, like kids ditch school in the 60s. The 1860s. Stay tuned, Max. I have a feeling there will be a lot more to tell you soon. Chloe, love doctor. Well, Marniach Ekavel, PhD, Alan, girl. Still him's a love doctor. Good you can clack me in cheat though, shouldn't. Symbols.
Guess we're not the first ones to hop on this train. I wonder what the symbols mean.
Shipping label.
Whoa, Nathan's dad is a Terminator? That totally checks out. I feel pretty confident there's going to be a dead body in here. Just another typical day, skipping school, with Rachel Amber. The thing's heavier than it looks. Guess I should sit down.
Sure.
I see humans, but no humanity. Everybody is somebody, but no one wants to be themselves. Some preachy graffiti up in this train.
En nu den gang Kurish Serene. When we mention everybody lies, less Garashi Namach Eve, who's afraid of Virginia Woolf.
Everybody lies. I like that. I was supposed to read Huck Finn in English last year. Now I'm living it. Price 1. Twain 0.
Okay, and Jachin. See ya, little Rachel.
Alright, Chloe. You're on a freaking train with Rachel freaking Amber. Play it cool. Is this nervousness? Is that what this feeling is?
How you fucking Ruthiken?
So I could ask. Should I make small talk? Is that what people do?
Sacher, we switching. Yeah, actually,
So, what is wrong with you? What? You're acting nervous. So, it's kind of weird that we're hanging out.
You mean because I don't hang out with anyone and I don't have any friends?
You have friends.
Well, I used to. Friend. Singular. Her name was Max, but she left for greener, more northern pastures.
That sucks.
Hey, So, I want to say thanks.
For pulling you out of school?
No, dummy. Thanks for last night. If you hadn't shown up.
Assholes abound in Arcadia Bay.
I owe you. That's for sure.
Is that why you came along?
Are you suggesting I should need a reason to ditch school?
I bet you're wondering what we're doing.
The thought occurred, yeah.
Well, I wanted some company.
That's it?
That's it.
Try again. I'm going to need more to go on than that.
Joyrides with me aren't fun?
Joyrides to where again?
Life needs a little mystery, Chloe. Let's do something fun.
V-card's been punched, Rachel. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Too far.
Well, I don't know.
Okay. Something fun. I'm all ears.
Two truths and
awkward.
a lie.
What?
I think we should play Two Truths and a Lie. It's a game where each person offers up 3 facts about themselves, 2 of which are the truth, and 1 of which is
a lie.
Right. And then the other person has to guess which is which.
Sounds fun. You're on.
I'll start. First, I'm ambidextrous. Second, I was born in New York, the land of fashion and Broadway, to which I will one day return when my heinous exile here in Arcadia Bay comes to an end.
New York, huh? I've never been.
Not a world traveler?
Not yet, at least.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Russia, Greece, Kathmandu?
Aperonian.
Kathmandu?
One day, I'm going to climb Everest.
And I thought moving away from Arcadia Bay was ambitious. What's your third thing?
My third thing?
2 truths and a lie. You say 3 things.
Right. I'm a Leo. Meow.
Okay, so ambidextrous, born in New York, and a Leo. Gotcha.
So, which is the lie?
Hamish mention gyda Leo a hínse. Ba chiad instinct ac New York a chynnyr sy'n chlachgi a laf Jess person ambidextrous. Fiach is sy'n
I
ambidextrous.
don't buy the ambidextrous claim.
No? Well, that's too bad, because it's true.
Prove it. Sign your name with both hands.
Sign where?
Seriously? All the bad girls do it. Come on. Damn.
I'm afraid the lie was New York. I'm a Cali girl, born and raised.
So, New York's on the bucket list.
Broadway, here I come.
Cool.
Okay, your turn, Price.
First fact.
Hey, Chi and
Right.
Nasashka.
Something about myself. Should I start things off with a lie or with the truth? Or should I cheat? Let's see how good she really is at this game. Sad to say this, since you're a Leo and all, but I'm allergic to cats.
Are you now?
Swear. I love science. Seriously, I think Neil deGrasse Tyson is the shit.
And you should
Huh.
hear fast commission.
I used to want to be a pirate when I grow up. I kinda still do.
Arr. You're hella mysterious, Chloe Price.
Hella mysterious.
Who says that?
It's a Cali thing. Anyway, I think I have your number. Of course you wanted to be a pirate. Sail the open seas.
Buckle swash.
Plunder secret treasure.
Did I mention my love of booty?
So, pirate. Obviously true.
Maybe you'd like to be my first mate.
Oh, are you accepting applications?
Considering it.
Okay. You say you love science, but you are failing chemistry.
You're saying failing chemistry means I hate science?
Or that Blackwell doesn't inspire your best work.
Well, sure.
It's not for everyone. I get that. Anyway, school sucks, but you love science. I'm gonna say true. Which brings me to your alleged cat allergy.
Alleged?
I'm calling lie.
Why is that?
I mean, maybe you're allergic, but I've passed by your locker a few times, and I've seen that old photo of a cat you keep in there.
Stalker much?
His name was Bongo. He was a gift from my dad.
Did he pass away?
Yeah. My dad died 2 years ago. I thought everyone knew that.
I meant Bongo.
Oh my god, of course, that's what you meant.
Oh.
So sorry.
Hey, that's okay.
Awkward moment of the year?
Definitely. So, if my math is correct, you told me 2 truths and 1 lie.
What? You expected me to cheat?
Winners make their own rules, Chloe.
You are crazy good at this game.
A lifetime of studying the human condition.
Well, I'm impressed.
I bet it's hard to impress Chloe Price. I'm gonna feel good about that one. When your dad is the district attorney, I guess lying is something you're used to.
Seriously?
Seriously.
I know who to call if I need to get out of a ticket then. Not that I have a right of my own. Car first, embarrassing number of moving violations second.
Hey, thanks for trusting me.
Trusting you?
You played the game. And not everyone would admit to wanting to be a pirate.
But eye patches are so cool.
And rum is delicious. I guess. You opened up a lot, that's all.
It's not a big deal.
Hate to break it to you, but Chloe Price is not exactly renowned throughout Arcadia Bay as a bastion of trust and empathy.
I'm just not really into touchy-feely shit. But I feel like I can trust you.
Yeah?
I got on this train with you, didn't I?
Fair point.
Wouldn't mind listening to some music. Hey, wanna listen?
Seo cho cute. Má gail ar a díisteach go ha Chloe I fíochain ha chud síchalach ana bhí a fíochain rubí cool agus chanéal sin cool ítead agus is talm sin.
cool bracelet. I've had it, I guess, since I was a kid in Long Beach. It reminds me that there's more to experience out there than just Arcadia Bay. Maybe one day I'll go back to Long Beach. Or anywhere but here. Maybe sooner than later. Me too.
Maybe I should dollar
Arcadia Bay
Royer
can sell
Fall of
leather
Collar,
goods.
a cheeky gas.
Sometimes I feel like I've got a reason to stay. Don't be surprised, Chloe, if one day I'm just out of here.
Ominous.
You need an accomplice. Check it out. We're here.
What? Where is here? Jump and find out. Did you say jump? Jump! Fuck it!
Aan sa far glad Rachel. Skoha sin van geruif. Stove a power walker. Se páiste na game stocha an páiste na game a sailire nam chaine an scíide seo a farc seo.
Hey, it's actually a pretty nice view. Glad you approve. And as your reward for making it up here, I have a new game for us to play. Another one? I like games. Deal with it. This is one I learned in theater class. It's all about improvisation. So far, what I've learned about you is that you're into acting, lying, and playing games. What's your point? That you're either full of imagination or full of shit. Let me know when you figure out which one. This game involves spying on people from afar. Luckily, we've got some high-tech surveillance equipment right here. Let's fire it up.
Ferkach.
That blows. Well, shit. That was my last quarter. You? Quarterless. Damn. Hey, maybe I can MacGyver something up. I've been told I'm pretty handy. Oh yeah? Let's see what you got.
Cash Maha. Again, problem solving I can Riano.
Rachel really wants to use this viewfinder. I'd love to get it working for her. The lonely oak looks lonely. Guess even trees have outcasts. That is the look of a person who is used to getting what she wants. Wonder what that feels like.
Scarig Inchinach social to
Damn, that's an old tree. Wait, does this sign say butt rot?
Interior butt rot prevents more accurate analysis. Okie dokie. Northwest Valor.
Dwight Mueller really killed it with this statue of an explorer guy. Where are all my explorer ladies at, though? Probably...
Gewoon ook een correction staat er na wij graag.
Stop sextanting the interns.
Not one of your best, Chloe. Echt,
This
Overlook
Blackwell
Park.
guy sure liked founding stuff that was already there. Founders keepers, I guess.
Ezekiel Blackwell. Ain't enough.
Yuck. Cliche much, AW and BW?
AW and BW, Cohesion, TK and MJ. And then you gain character and Shin. Bank. Gaf ze hier bank.
Just a day in the park with Rachel Amber. You know when something kind of amazing is happening, you don't always stop to think about it right away? And then when you do think about it, you start thinking about it a lot. And the more you think about it, the crazier it seems until pretty soon you're psyching yourself out and then everything turns to shit. Yeah. Let's not do that today.
Oh man. Notion whole latcher I get or son Rachel. Sjön fåsja. Fjäraken.
I guess nature doesn't quite provide. If Max were here, she'd probably take a black and white photograph and call it Innocence Lost, or some shit. I've always said the Prescott family has a couple screws loose.
Right. Han jou meer son ekkeligheid in de fjäraken. Ach,
Get out of here, woodland creatures. Have some self-respect.
my svenchen stocha could be Rutiken female Anson Skuttal.
Ah, you fools.
Oh, I guess I had a fjäraken and Chile. Okay. Right. Knitting I thought she isn't touch.
Wait, is that the same AW as before? Not afraid of commitment, I see.
So cohesion. Let's see. A. They speed touch like A. Genial. Okay.
I've been saying sorry all morning. I admit it was really dumb to lock the keys in the car. You've been on me for 3 hours.
Oh, wolf. Picnickers. Fian.
My hierarchy of needs goes pot, then beer, then wine. Still, wino has a classy ring to it. There's gotta be something freeing about being able to build your home wherever you are, from whatever is around you.
I shouldn't doing, Chloe. Placard.
Yep, it's official. I'm learning way more ditching school than I ever do in class.
The Raven is to be respected, never trusted. Stands for transformation. Trickster spirit. Well, shall naha ira leidje tiaking.
Whoa, that's badass. If you're going to argue in public, at least have the decency to make it about something interesting. Hey, spare some change?
Sorry. We might have some leftover food when we're done.
What? No, I'm not. What kind of food?
This place has really gone downhill.
Shh. She's right there.
Oh, okay. Well. Russian card. Right. Is going to give her fame
I've always said the Prescott family has a couple screws loose.
And yeah. It's famous in that there's a screwdriver.
Huh. Looks like I might be able to pry it open with the right tool.
Wel, is terug naar heel Divey, ja. Heb er tool de hand. then go sin a thursday as bang.
Looks like this one might actually be working.
Yep. J nach mi feichún. J ma vrienish me the zenach.
I'm thinking about prying open that viewfinder. Got a knife on you?
A knife?
Yeah. My mom took mine.
No. How about a nail file?
Stuck in an sin a clock.
I guess you could stab someone with a nail file. Oh, right. Sure, let's try it.
Victoria of Chloe Price. The kid don't know that spells fuck you on the periodic table. I got in trouble for that, you carbon, uranium, nitrogen 10. You call me a cunson. Well, my shin's far so. How many taller you get the range shin? Right. Yes, shushing. I guess the thirst ass sign capture the Prescott.
Stealing a dedication plate takes persistence.
Chloe, and the helico nail file, like Rachel or file. Did J ha Steph Ganting? Oh gosh. Hey, heads up, Wells is on the warpath. Seriously, just trying to help. Yeah, right, you killed me this morning. That's what the GM does, dude. Also, thanks for playing with us, Mikey Ediplans. He's cool. He's been down lately, not sure why. But I know playing with you really meant a lot. Oh, I shouldn't laugh.
First got power, activate.
Shoshin, Karsto.
I don't want to boast, so I'll let you do it for me.
Chloe Price, you are truly the Viewfinder Whisperer. I stand in awe of your powers.
Cute. Oh, Sue yeah.
Rachel smells like jasmine. Is she smelling me right now too? Really should have showered this morning.
Shinkama relatable.
All right.
Chloe.
Here's the game. You find some people for us to spy on, and then you and I will act out what they're saying and thinking.
That's it? I do that in my head during, like, every class.
See? You're a natural. Let's give it a try.
Hey, what do you say we barbecue some squirrels when we're done here?
God, you just have the best ideas.
Loving this guy.
What's he thinking right now?
No matter how fast I go, I'll never outwalk this wedgie.
That's so tragic, but also beautiful in its own way.
Sweet beanie.
What do you suppose she's thinking?
Nature's Wi-Fi sucks.
Maybe there's a squirrel family around here with broadband.
If only I can guess their password. We love nuts, 69.
Dingoes ate our babies, 13.
Too soon.
Oh, Ayla.
What's going on with these two?
And the Lord saideth, Thou shalt make a burnt offering of your firstborn son.
Who are you talking to, Dad?
No one, son. Now, lean into the grill and see if the fire's started. Further. Further.
Wow, that was dark. Too dark? Perfect dark.
This is fun. Who's next? Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to hog the viewfinder. Ooh, jackpot. Commence makeout session in 3, 2, 1. Nailed it.
Damn, they are really going at it.
Oh, Wolf. Sanya got a
honey,
hatchin.
I think we used the vibrating bed for too long. I'm totally seeing double. Rachel? Hey, are you alright?
What are we doing?
Excuse me?
Last I checked, you're supposed to be Chloe Price. Yet we've been ditching now for hours, and we haven't even gotten wasted yet. That's got to be against some school ditching rule.
Hell yeah. The honor student wants to show the school delinquent at a party? Be my guest.
How gracious of you.
Yeah. Shouldn't matter how Rachel Collach knew to ha and yet I got
They have a bottle of wine.
Let's steal it.
Okay. Or we could go try to find a liquor store instead.
No. You shouldn't bring alcohol to a public park if you're not willing to share it with everybody, right? And fuck it. I just want to take something that's not mine.
Okay.
All right. I'm going in.
J
Try to keep up.
Dol Le Rachel.
Can we help you? Oh my god!
Holy shit. Talk about committing to a performance. Better act fast.
What do we do? Should we check her pulse?
Didn't you used to be a lifeguard? Give her CPR!
That was years ago. You think I remember?
How to save someone's life? Yeah, I guess I'd remember something like
And
that.
the Oscar for Best Distraction
Don't yell
of
at me.
wine-toting picnickers goes to Rachel Amber. Better play my supporting role and grab the wine fast.
Okay.
Oh, thank God. Please, this girl is in trouble. Go get help.
I need to get these two to focus on Rachel so I can swipe the wine.
What are you waiting for? Go!
Oh, Wolf.
Don't look at me. Look at Baywatch over here. I don't remember how to do CPR. Wah. It's time to nut up or shut up.
Watch out. I'm going to check her pulse. That's on her neck, right?
I still think you should go get help. There's a ranger station on the other side of the park.
Good point. We'll keep watch while you go.
Look at all the time we've wasted already. This woman needs mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Stat. No. Yep. Definitely needs mouth-to-mouth.
Okay. Okay. You can do this. I can't do it.
Pathetic. Look, he's clearly useless. This woman needs help from someone who actually knows what they're doing.
Hey, look at me. Do you want to be locked out of the car of life forever? Or are you ready to break in there and seize the keys to your potential?
Oh my God. You're right.
Hey, wow. I'm all better now. You saved my life. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Yeah. Good work, everyone. Peace out.
That was
Gee.
incredible.
Fan nu
You're a
Ghaillinn.
hero.
Huh. I guess I am.
Here. You earned this.
Thanks. I could use a drink after trying to keep up with you.
I am excessively sober right now.
Right. Okay. Guess we're leaving now.
J ha dal le Rachel Amber. Cosach ar na train tracks, huh? Hit a rat réile.
Whoa. Hey, check this out. What?
Lárach Inchynach Anan Scialach Life is Strange. Gahara Chancellor Chiad Gama. Hachi na Stray and Gama Shaw.
Great.
A Stray a Gama Shaw.
Pile of trash. Yeah. An awesome pile of trash. Let's explore.
You have fun, Chloe. I'm gonna go sit down.
Rachel's been acting kind of standoffish ever since we left the park. What's her deal?
Likla.
Chloe, I'd really like some space right now.
Not wrong.
Okay. Actually, no. I thought we were having a great day together. Why are you acting like this all of a sudden?
I'm not acting like anything. I just want to be left alone right now.
No. I don't understand. You can't just turn on me for no reason.
I'm sorry, turn on you? I guess I forgot. It's always about how you feel, isn't it? Sad Chloe's fucking sad again.
Oh, maar graag.
Maybe you should try giving a shit about other people for once.
Are you serious right now? Fuck!
Okay. I still have no idea what's going on with Rachel, but apparently she gets smashy when she's angry. I can work with that. Score. Hey, check it out. I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer drinking it next to an old toilet. Home run!
Can I see?
Sure.
I asked you to leave me alone.
Are you kidding me? I know you're the school princess and all, with the DA daddy and the perfect grades and all the perfect little Victoria chases kissing your perfect ass, but seriously? Fuck you. Great. I'm leaving. See you around, Chloe. You can't leave! Watch me. Rachel, wait! Don't go.
Oh, a tuintje.
Why not? Because I don't want to ruin this the way I ruin everything else in my life. And what is this exactly?
Well, is anya gain ha mis dal hu gan heach.
I mean, fuck. Are you actually going to make me say it? Say what? Exactly.
Oh,
You know, like a friendship. But more. Ah. I know. Weird, right? It's just today was the best day I've had since my dad died. And when I almost ruined it just now, the way I ruin everything, it made me realize whatever's going on between us is special.
Oh, Chloe.
Come on, say something. Chloe, I'm sorry. I am really, really sorry. But
Cursana hai shesa mar sin. Hai farach gin mar go bhfuil glitche tacht.
even though I won't. Why not? Because I can't. I know it isn't fair, but it's how it is.
Yeah, bha glitche tacht.
Goodbye, Chloe.
No. Oh yeah. A tor glitchy in a tacht to drasta. Is true sin nor sé síden neo sealig cara bránach a hail nach nuair a ha cushion díadach glitchig a carana mílig buai I bhómit.
Fuck this place.
Okay. Smash, 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 smash.
You know she's fake, yet you can't take your eyes off her. Who else do I know who fits that description?
Oh,
Fuck
Chloe.
off, Rachel.
Chloe Vach. Camera.
I've never understood your hard-on for cameras, Max. You took a million pictures of us, and not one of them showed that you were gonna leave when I needed you most. Fuck cameras.
Oh, Chloe.
If you want to rip a family apart from the inside, it's important to bring the proper tools. Fuck you, David.
Of.
Dad.
Siawn carachga. Apa fichid sa céir uair a híte a hirhí ag Chloe. Bheith díreach ar san dul go cuireadh ciúil. Agus seall na thula a thar tachart an thuair sin. Chloe bhach. Fómh. Well, an tá meán. Fíor hallam ceáil a gheime seo. Aisling éile is ceol country ar a radio. Fé me bhfuil a géisioach rí BBC Radio na Gael.
Why are you crying, sweetheart?
Sinna faracin cat uncanny.
Because you're not real.
I'm not.
What is going on?
Bhfuil Elena firewalk on him.
What's past is prologue and shit.
Kiddo, look on the bright side, would ya?
What bright side?
You made a new friend today.
Arcadia Bay. Need again dream graffiti anu. Sit in.
Where's my marker?
Oh.
I guess I did that.
Gotta say, that was some fight. A lover's quarrel, you might say?
Okay, Dad.
She
Don't
nearly
read
took your
me like
head
that.
off.
What do you care?
Sorry, sweetheart. I guess I'm getting into your personal business.
Hey, where's my marker? Oh, there it is.
Sometimes people need you, though. Even when they don't admit it.
Chloe agus Rachel.
Rachel!
Oof. Jay hatala ha gerstenish. of. Be Joyce idal as y ciel. Joyce, fuse. Skinja can be text suckage. Cúsin I tuaite meas a chéile. Son Chloe Price Bach. En je fioch a sin. Rust gin mór ar san fioch. Ydych iúlare. Agus an darach. Shall cóhlarach sin.
You came. I'm glad. Hey. I couldn't let the day end with whatever this afternoon was.
Chloe, I want to talk to you about something, but I don't know how to talk about this.
You don't have to tell me anything you don't want to.
You remember that guy that we saw under this tree with that woman?
The ones who were making out?
That was my dad.
Oh. All right.
And that woman was definitely not my mom.
Oh.
The worst part is, I'm not surprised. I felt like my dad's been lying about something for a while. I didn't know what it was. So when I saw he got a text from an unknown number asking him to meet, I thought I could catch him or something.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, Rachel. I don't know what to say.
Neither do I. Chloe, I love my dad. I love him. And I never want to see his fucking face again.
When my dad died, I was so mad at him. For months, I felt wrong because half the time I thought of him, I wanted to scream. And the other half, I forgot.
Forgot that anything had changed. It's silly, but I've carried this photo around with me for years. It's from Mount Hood. My dad took me hiking there when I was 10, and it started raining, and I fell and broke my arm 3 miles from the car. I remember screaming like I was gonna die, but my dad, he carried me down the mountain. I still remember the smell of his coat, and how calm he was, and the sound of his voice, and
Very giddy space.
he was just so strong, you know? I felt safe.
You trusted him.
Completely.
Here.
Chloe, I owe you an apology.
Hey, we were both kind of the queen of shitty.
No, I mean it. Whatever's going on between us, it's intense and new and awesome, and you had the courage to tell me that you feel it too. And I treated you like shit.
Courage? I don't know if I'd call it that. More like blind desperation. And maybe a slight buzz from that wine.
I just want you to know I'm lucky that you were with me today. You're a badass, Chloe Price.
What?
Remember that biker asshole who wouldn't let you into the mill? You talked your way right past him.
You saw that?
And those skeevy douchebags who followed you upstairs? 2 against 1. But you wouldn't take any shit from them.
I'd be dead if you hadn't thrown that bottle.
You inspired me.
Oh. Hechelach.
See? You're the real thing, Chloe. I don't know anyone like you. Plus, you came along with me, no questions asked.
Well, I don't really need a good reason to ditch school.
I guess tomorrow there'll be hell to pay.
My mom might skip grounding and just go straight to the death penalty.
And my dad will definitely punish me with...
Fuck your dad.
Fuck him.
What I wouldn't give to leave this place and never look back.
What's stopping us?
Us? Are you serious?
There's nothing keeping me here. Not anymore.
So, if I came to you tomorrow and told you to pack your bags...
I'm serious. Let's do it, Chloe. Let's leave this place forever.
Okay.
Oh, well.
Can I borrow your lighter?
Well, Hershing een big Chanya Kutramach.
Thank you.
A ga ik gursen in. So, smash in. Well, is Sharshan na vi tiro ka likkel sanad. And I was mentioning good mashin.
Come on.
Oh. Renach. Maar wel de skriach en eiche gasgeulig. Agus a cainam nuair tháinig cin gceime seo na gur bé siar a gabháise gur a cuach os nátara ag rénach ceilte í tenne rís na gaiitin. San is hí sin na tachart fiach a bhela. sin carad sin listen glitch of sin of McCullis gra and noon card the sraj I guess answer the garage. Nathan. So who dunya beichkin? Nachin. Her renach le Principal Wells. I guess an baranach Giovid va van Grave. Well, Shinnak of Parshta Hearn Jishal. Parshta Hearn Yamacha 3. Reishin be a vodkuch a dolanai and yashin. Vashin Cod, Vashin Kaino di Joyce be a vodkuch. Gaat de Choom Shin Taichgri Nathan be a vodkuch Kumal Taichgrish. Agus Hershin. That we're more than just friends. Good round, not just be a vodkuch Jenny Shinkojak. Didn't take the money, 50-50. Didn't buy pot, most folk. Read the self-help book, vodkuch. Churshin and Jala vid a fres, vodkuch. Gaat de Churshin etiquette as Jachan first like Joyce. Churshin ri Elliot nach Jachin gan Jala Chlichlish. Churshin ri skip good the heart and demo getting. Clishin and Gamma are fat less Stefagus Mikey. Sabotaged Victoria's homework. Chatterine of Orchidchin. You told Rachel you believe in love. You shared earbuds with Rachel. Negats a hoch. Machas a at the generation. You jumped out the train. Oops. Jewishin. Okay. I guess Shin Sheen. So Rain Sheen awake. And Brave New World. Nishin Brave New World has a nas stream. And ya Toshiki Shin yet Gayu. Or Shin Havorak Dawid a Heach So Pakishin and a Hinach. Kuma Fis J Vurbiachgan If I heen chud jail or Chloe agus Rachel sa hami heen If I very Nagamican Life is Strange Chloe Vil Biachgan Akav Sitting of H Shaw Suez at YouTube So sitting of Biachgan Akal and Shin Nyo and chat or Twitch Ichlach Ach Statimi stream the Thraste Thain Commode or son of Enam Kuchach agus marasa ist cuma var a chluiche and dochas could be 4 jo jerichach gan jaca villa